Hey guys, it's Miss Gephardt, and as you all know, I'm not at school today, but we need to make sure, I wanted to make sure that I went over how to analyze the pretest that you guys took already. So, after taking the pretest, first you need to grade the pretest. So obviously you guys have gone through, you've marked off what ones you got right, what ones you got wrong. Probably just easier to do the ones that you got wrong. After you have X'd the ones you got wrong, so you've corrected this side, you see the boxes on this side. And if you look at the boxes, they have topic names, okay? Underneath the topic name, there is the word questions, and there's a blank. So you've already given what questions go there, okay? Underneath that, there's a line, and then a slash, and then another line. That is the total number you got correct on that topic out of the total number of questions for that topic. So if the topic only had 5 questions and you got 3 of them right, then you're going to write 3 out of 5 and calculate a percentage, which is 60%. Okay. Below that, it's whether or not it was mastered. So mastery, like you see here, has to be 80% or above. So anytime we do this, if it comes out to be 78% or 79% or 77%, that's still not mastery. We're setting it at 80%. Okay, so there's no gray area, all right? So once you've gone through, you've graded this, you went in and analyzed these boxes, all right? Now we are to the mastery sheet. Looks like this. You have 5 of these, 2 purple sheets and 1 white sheet. The white sheet has only one side to it. The purples have one on each side. If you look very closely at what's on my screen and what you see in front of you, there are 5 different standards. So that's why there are 5 different individual ones. They all look very similar. So you may want to go up at the top, right up here, and write what you see right in front of you. 8.L.5.1, which means really nothing. The topic it's covered is cells and macromolecules. That's what we would call it, okay? 8.L.5.2 is anything we talk about healthy living. 8.L.1.1 and 8.L.1.2 are both of them will cover pathogens and disease. They both kind of covers it all within those 2 standards. And finally, 8.L.2.1 is biotechnology. So right now, I would go up here above that standard and I would write this, what it really means, okay? So now we have to look at the pretest topics and the percentages. I'm most concerned about those percentages right there, okay? You're going to come on here. You're going to rewrite the standard in your own words. So you have what the standard says. I've given you kind of a clue, like this is what the topic is. You rewrite it. Next, for that particular standard, so I have to figure out which box it is, I'm going to take what I calculated in that box and match it up with its thingy, with this thing right here. And I'm going to put that particular score in there. So let's say this is 5.2, so 5.2 went with healthy living. Healthy living is all the way in the 3rd box. So I'm looking at the percentage here. Let's say the percentage happened to be 58%. I'm going to write 58% on healthy living. That's 58%, that's how I did on healthy living. Once I've recorded this, I need to look up here and color accordingly. Once I've done that, you're going to fill in below a reflection. This is going to go just here. We're only on this column. Pretest column, you gave me the percentage for that topic that you did on your pretest. You're going to answer this question right in here. So I need you to look at the pretest. What areas within this topic on this sheet do you still need help? So you'll do that for this one. Then you'll flip your purple sheet over and do it for that topic. You have to do it for 5 times. But essentially, you should be going through and analyzing each of these standards. So you're taking that one standard and you're analyzing it on one piece of paper. Okay? Hopefully that answers everything. If for any reason it's still very confusing and you are unsure, do the best you can, do it in pencil, and when I see you again on Wednesday, we'll take a second and go over it so everybody's on the same page. Please behave yourselves, and I will see you all on Wednesday. Okay?